What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up early in the morning around 6 o'clock to start my day.
Do you wake up every day?
Yes, I wake up every day because it helps me stay organized.
Do you feel sleepy in the morning?
Sometimes I feel a little sleepy, but I try to wake up quickly.
What do you do first?
The first thing I do is get out of bed and stretch my body.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every morning to keep my room clean and tidy.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning to keep them clean and healthy.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh and active.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower every morning to feel clean and refreshed.
What do you wear?
I wear clean and comfortable clothes that make me feel confident.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water in the morning because it is good for my health.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea because it helps me feel relaxed and awake.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning because it gives me energy.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit because they are healthy foods.
Do you eat alone?
No, I eat breakfast with my family and talk with them.
Do you talk in the morning?
Yes, I talk with my family about our plans for the day.
Do you watch television?
No, I do not watch television because I want to save time.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, I check my phone for messages and important updates.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to soft music because it makes me feel relaxed.
Do you read books?
Yes, I sometimes read a book to learn something new.
Do you study in the morning?
Yes, I study in the morning because my mind is fresh.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day carefully so I can finish my tasks on time.
Do you write a schedule?
Yes, I sometimes write a schedule to stay organized and focused.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do simple exercises like stretching and walking.
How long do you exercise?
I exercise for about 15 minutes to keep my body active.
Do you feel active after exercise?
Yes, I feel more active and energetic after exercising.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my family by doing small tasks in the morning.
What kind of tasks do you do?
I help with cleaning, organizing, and sometimes preparing breakfast.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room regularly to keep it neat.
Do you open windows?
Yes, I open windows to let fresh air into my room.
Do you enjoy fresh air?
Yes, I enjoy fresh air because it makes me feel refreshed.
What time do you leave home?
I usually leave home around 7:30 to go to school.
Do you leave on time?
Yes, I try to leave on time so I am not late.
Do you feel rushed?
No, I do not feel rushed because I prepare everything early.
Do you check your bag?
Yes, I check my bag to make sure I have everything.
What do you carry?
I carry books, notebooks, and other important items.
Do you forget things?
Sometimes I forget things, but I try to be careful.
Do you say goodbye?
Yes, I say goodbye to my family before leaving home.
Do you feel happy in the morning?
Yes, I feel happy because mornings are peaceful and calm.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I like mornings because they give me a fresh start.
What is your favorite morning activity?
My favorite activity is drinking tea and relaxing quietly.